What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be giving you a full tutorial of this Simplii Mobile app. I will be sharing with you how you can do e-transfers, how you can deposit checks, how you can even transfer money internationally and much more. So with that said, let's head over to my mobile phone and show you everything. So to get started, you want to download the Simplii Mobile app from the Play Store or the App Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you're going to use your card number and password to sign in. If you have not yet registered your account, you can then select register here to set up your card details. I've done a video on that. I'll leave the link in the description of this video or at the end in a card. So here you're going to specify your password and log in. So once you specify your password, you're going to select sign on. So from the main screen, you see all the accounts that you have available. So here I have a no fee account and the high interest savings account. Then on the quick links, you have the option to pay bills and do e-transfers. So one of the first things we're going to be taking a look at is how you can transfer money from your no fee checking account to your high interest savings account. So when I click this menu icon here, select transfer funds, specify the amount that you want to transfer, let's say $50. Select the account that you want to transfer the money from. In this case, it's a no checking one. It's a no fee, my bad. And then select the account that you want to transfer to. So in this case, it's going to be my high interest savings account, right? So you can set this to be reoccurring, right? So let's select how often, and these are the different frequencies that you can set. In this case, I'll be just going with one, so I'm going to go back and then select next. Confirm that you're about to transfer $50. Yes, so the transfer was completed successfully. Now let's go back to the accounts. Right, so as you can see, the money was successfully transferred to my high interest savings account. So now let's explore the menu option. So let's select the menu icon here. Here you have the option to refer a friend. If you refer a friend to Simplii, you can earn some money. I'll double check how much you can earn, right? So let's select refer a friend. When you refer a friend to Simplii Financial, you can earn $150 when your friend open a no fee checking account, a high interest savings account, or a personal line of credit, and earn $500 if your friend gets a mortgage with Simplii, right? As they say, you can earn thousands of dollars if you refer friends. So if you refer 10 friends, that's $1,250 just like that, right? So it's a good app to download and invite friends, right? So let's go back to the menu. You can also use Simplii Financial to pay your bills. So if you select the bills payment, you'll see you have three options. The option to pay a bill, the option to manage billing companies. That means you can add new companies, remove new companies, right? And the option to manage transactions. So this is where you can review upcoming transaction, delete existing one, and view your history. So let's go back. You also have the option to send money internationally with the global money transfer feature. So if we select global money transfer, it will redirect you to the website, right? So once you're on this page, you'll need to specify the amount of money that you want to transfer. Let's say 50 Canadian dollars, right? I'm not going to actually send this money, guys. I'm just giving you an overview of the steps, right? So you're going to select the country that you want to send money to. In my case, I'm just going to say Jamaica. You have the option to have the money deposited to a US bank account or a Jamaican bank account, right? Or whichever currency is showing in your region. Please keep in mind that the minimum amount of money that you can send is 100 Canadian dollars, right? So let's select send money now. Here you'll need to add the recipient information. So you'll add new recipient and complete all the relevant information. And once you do that, you'll just complete the steps to transfer the money. However, I don't want to send any money now, so I'm not going to actually complete the tutorial process, right? So I'm going to go back. I'm going to select done to exit and go back to the mobile app. Now there's another important option we want to take a look at. It's the e-deposit. So if you have a check, this is the option that you'll use to deposit money to your account, right? So you take a picture of the front of the check, and then here you'll take a picture of the back of the check, specify the amount that you're depositing, right? And then you'll select the account that you want to make the deposit to, and that's literally it. Now to get like your institution number for your bank account, right, you tap on the account and then you're going to select account info. And once you tap on the account info, you'll be able to see your institution number and your transit number. These are used to receive payments, right? View your e-statements. You can then select view e-statements. So here I'm just going to select continue, even though I don't have a statement because my account is relatively new. So here I'm just going to select OK. Now select cancel. Now let's go back. To view your profile information, you can select the profile icon here with your name or initials. Here you'll be able to see your address, your contact number, your email address, and all the personal information about you. If you want to make any change on any of them, you will just tap the little arrow icon here, and then it will allow you to make changes to your account. So guys, if you're still watching this video, I appreciate if you give me a subscribe, right? So guys, I hope this video has really helped you a lot in navigating the Simplii Mobile app. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.